Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
This beautiful mirror and medicine cabinet from TokeShimi is not only going to give your bathroom a little added flair and beauty, but it's also functional and durable. It's made from waterproof and moisture-proof aluminum alloy, so you don't have to worry about mold or mildew like you would with a wooden cabinet. It's also thicker and heavier than I thought it would be. I know this medicine cabinet will last us for years to come, and even though I put it in my kids' bathroom, I'm confident in its ability to stand up to everything my kids will throw at it. One of the things I was really impressed with is that you have the option to put this mirror into your wall or to just hang it on the wall, and it comes with the tools and easy to read directions for both of these options. The glass is very beautiful with a crisp and clear reflection. I could see all of the wrinkles on my face very clearly, and that's fine. I'm fine. I love the beveled edges around the glass. It gives it a very classic design that pairs well with any decor that you have, whether it's modern or luxurious. I was also impressed with how sturdy and well-mounted the shelves are. The shelves are able to hold a lot of weight, and because they're adjustable, I can fit even my bigger bottles in there. I was impressed with the amount of products I could fit in this medicine cabinet. It definitely freed up some space in our bathroom. I also wanted to mention how well this came packaged. There was no chance of this mirror being cracked or chipped during shipping. I was impressed with the extra amount of detail put into caring for this mirror during shipping. The corners of the styrofoam were reinforced with a different kind of material that was very sturdy. So if you're looking for a beautiful medicine cabinet that will free up some room in your bathroom and last you until the end of time, then you should try this cabinet from TokeShimi.
And that's my point of view.